Hey guys, it's Gamers Almighty, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up a static IP address and port forward ports. So I'm a little bit sick. First you are going to need to open the Start menu, and if you're running like Windows 7 or something, you can search CMD command prompt, or if not, or you can just search Run, or you can click Run if you're running XP or something, and then open CMD. And then you need to type in ipconfig, just like that. And mine is gonna be weird like that. It should work though, but mine just hates working. Okay, great. Anyways, something should show up roughly like this. IPv4, IPv6, something like that. And then some other stuff. Anyways, then you need to open up your control panel. Go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. If you're running XP, it should be something around this, and if you have any problems, you can just ask in the comments, and I will be happy to help you with that. Oh, God. And then you need to go to change adapter settings. And I have Machi running in this. You need to, if you're running local, like through a desktop computer, then you need to go to the local area connection. But if you're running off a laptop, it should be like called wireless or something. Anyways, then you're gonna right click the network that's giving you main internet and go to properties. You need to go to Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, not IPv6. You need to double click it, or you can click on it and click properties. And as you may notice, I already have all this typed in. Normally it should be on obtain an IP address automatically on both. But then whenever you have the command prompt open in ipconfig, it should show you a submap mask underneath IPv4 or around there, and then a default gateway. Now if you click on subnet mask, it should automatically be in there 255.255.255.0 or something around that. Anyways, the IPv4 address, you need to put that, you have to click use the following IP address, and you have to put the IPv4 address in there, and then you have to change, like let's say it was normally it was 101. You can change the last one to like 106 or whatever, but I changed it to 110. It doesn't really matter as long as the first one is the same. I believe it's fine. Anyways, but the gateway, you leave that, you put that down there, and then also the gateway you put right here too. Only one, unless you have like things that says certain DNS. Anyways, now remember the gateway, and don't close this yet. You're going to need to open a browser of some sort. Just a second, Firefox is being slow. Don't use it that much. No. Okay, then the gateway, what was it? 192.168.1.1. Okay. Now I believe there's a newer way to do this, like router login or something like that somewhere. I'm not sure, but I use it this way. And then it should ask for a username and password, whichever browser you're in. And normal thing is to leave the username blank and put the password as admin, ADMIN. But I have it like that because I screwed up the very first time and I named it admin for both. So then all this is going to show up, or whichever kind of router, it should somewhere around here it should say applications and gaming or something like that, or maybe it'll say ports. Anyways, I have all these set up for gaming, hosting and stuff right now. Some of them aren't working, but anyways, then you go back to this thing, and sorry for the background noises. Anyways, so this should all be good for now. Press OK. It says warning, whatever. Click yes. Make sure you do not do the, but for this, make sure you do not have the last thing same for two different computers, or else you'll screw up one of the internets. And if you screw up on this, your internet's probably going to die. So if it does screw up, then just put it back to its normal settings and everything, automatic or whatever. And then you can go to this thing, and then See, I put mine as 110 at the end. And to port forward, you basically need to enter the last three. I have them all on 110 right now. I do have our computers, and sometimes I'll set it for like 109 if that's it. And then basically for most things, it'll tell you what to port forward, but for most things you'll just put both, and then you'll put the ports that you want, and then you can name it whatever you want to remember or whatever, and then you can set the ports. Like the main one is probably 25565, but I already have one for that down here from Minecraft. I use that anyways. That should work. To use that online, you don't need Hamachi anymore. Thank God if you were using Hamachi. Anyways, that's how you port forward and set up a static IP. I apologize if this screwed up your internet, but if it did, then just set it back to normal settings and try again a few times. And if you can't figure it out, look at another video or whatever. If I helped you, leave a like, maybe subscribe for more videos on help or some gaming videos, whatever. See you guys.